हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू कलेक्शन ऑफ स्टडी यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की इस एजुकेशन वीडियो में मैं आपको डीएवी क्लास 8 इंग्लिश लिटरेचर के चैप्टर 10 द अनडिजर्व रिवार्ड का सॉल्यूशन देने वाली हूँ। स्टूडेंट्स, इससे पहले और भी चैप्टर पे सॉल्यूशन वीडियो अपलोड है। यदि आपने वीडियो नहीं देखा तो नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन पे आपको लिंक मिल जाएगा और ऊपर आई बटन पर मैं वीडियो दे दूंगी, तो उन वीडियोज़ को जरूर देख लीजिएगा। तो चलिए इसे शुरू करते हैं। Understanding the story. Write T for true or F for false statements. The narrator is a lawyer by profession. False. The district officer had a keen interest in history. True. The narrator and Baldev used to be classmates about 10 years back. False. Baldev came to see the narrator because he was keen to revive an old friendship. False. The narrator requested the district officer to help his friend. False. Baldev was thankful to the narrator for saving his son. True. Next देखते हैं। Answer the following questions in about 30 words each. Why is the narrator a secret admirer of the district officer? The narrator is a secret admirer of the district officer because of his keen interest in history. He has also done research in history and in coins. He is a man of learning. Next question है question number 2. Why did the Indian officer do when his father-in-law insisted on prolonging his daughter's stay at his house? The Indian officer came back to his house when his father-in-law insisted on prolonging his daughter's stay at his house. He issued summons for the arrest of the father-in-law. The man came and asked for forgiveness. Next question है question number 3. When the narrator was invited by the district officer to see him, his friend said that it was an insult to him. Why? When the narrator was invited by the district officer to see him, his friends gave different views. They said that it was his insult. According to them, if he was keen to meet him, he should come himself. They said that these officers never come out of their superiority and thought that other persons were ordinary. Why was the narrator happy that the district officer had not come to his house himself instead of calling him? The narrator was happy that the district officer did not come to his house himself but sent for him because he was not capable to give him proper welcome. He did not have even a proper chair or expensive cigar to serve him. Next question है question number 5. I considered this an downright mean and dishonest. Why did the narrator consider to be mean and dishonest? I considered this downright mean and dishonest. The narrator did not like to take help or advantage of his relationship with the district officer. Taking favors from the high officials was against his principles. How did the narrator and Baldev become friends in their childhood? The narrator and Baldev had studied together. They were then 8 or 9 years old. Baldev was dull-minded, whereas the narrator was very intelligent. Baldev never understood anything in class. The narrator began to help him in his studies and he began to do well. Why had the police involved Baldev's son in a false case of dacoity? Baldev's son was a well-built, stout person. Many a time he quarreled with the police. The police was searching an opportunity to involve him in a criminal case. They got a chance to involve him in a false case. Baldev presented many arguments before the narrator to convince him to speak to the district officer. State a few arguments and identify the one which you think to be the most convincing, giving reasons to justify your choice. Baldev gave several arguments to convince the narrator. He told that his son was innocent. He also told that the entire family and son's life would be ruined. He appealed that he approached him for help only because his son was innocent, otherwise he could have never disturbed him. The son's mother was crying and had not eaten anything since his arrest. Baldev asked the narrator what could he have done if his own innocent son was arrested like that. In my opinion, the last argument is most convincing. If it would have been the matter of the narrator's own innocent son, he might have approached the district officer for the sake of his son. It was a matter of an innocent life. Hurts. I feel sorry at the mentality of my countrymen, says the narrator. Why does the narrator feel sorry for it? Explain. The narrator felt sorry at the mentality of the countrymen. The weaker always give too much respect to the stronger or rich. They think that they need their help to lead a smooth life, though they seldom get their help. People should learn to live independent and decent life in whatever condition they are. Life skills. Every deserving action should be rewarded. Likewise, every reward should be well deserved. Does this statement always holds true in real life? Substantiate your answer with examples. Every deserving action should be rewarded and every reward should be well deserved. But this statement does not always hold true in real life. For instance, in our country, hockey players do not get deserved reward whereas cricketers are over rewarded. Next question है, one should listen to all but take one's own decision guided by both intellect and conscience. Discuss. It is true that one should listen to all but take one's own decision guided by both intellect and conscience. Otherwise, later one has to repent over the decision made on the basis of other suggestions or requests. In the story, the narrator decided help Baldev free his son from the police, but later he regretted doing so because he knew that his son was not a good person, and that was the reason that the district officer did not consider it proper to interfere in the case. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं राइटिंग स्किल्स. देखिए स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ क्वेश्चन नहीं है, एक का आप लोग क्वेश्चन देख लीजिएगा, मैं आप लोगों को सॉल्यूशन बता दे रही हूँ. डियर प्रेमचंद, एक्सेप्ट माई थैंक्स फॉर व्हाट यू हैव डन टू सेव माई सन्स लाइफ. आई नो थैंक्स इज अ वेरी स्मॉल वर्ड फॉर सच टाइप ऑफ हेल्प. यू हैव ऑल्सो प्रूव्ड दिस डिक्टम राइट दैट ए फ्रेंड इन नीड इज ए फ्रेंड इन डीड. योर्स बलदेव. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, यू आर द नरेटर. यू आर ओवरकम विथ ए फीलिंग ऑफ गिल्ट आफ्टर बलदेव एंड हिज सन लीव योर हाउस. राइट ए लेटर टू बलदेव एक्सप्रेसिंग योर गिल्ट ओवर एक्सेप्टिंग द ऑनर दैट यू डिड नॉट डिजर्व. एग्जामिनेशन हॉल 5 March 2020. डियर बलदेव, आई वॉज रियली ओवरवेल्म्ड to see that your son was released by the police because he was innocent. He deserved this, but I would like to apologize that I had not done any favor. You know well my principles that I do not like taking my obligation, so I did not visit the district officer. Your son had been released because he did not commit any crime, hence he was not punished. I am really feeling guilty for accepting the reward which I didn't deserve. I would also like to send back all the gifts that you brought. Yours, प्रेमचंद. स्टूडेंट्स, इसी के साथ हम लोग का सॉल्यूशन वीडियो कंप्लीट हो गया. यदि आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए, और यदि आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को प्रेस करके ऑल पे प्रेस कर लीजिए, क्योंकि मैं आपके लिए एजुकेशन वीडियोस लाती रहती हूँ. स्टूडेंट्स, वीडियो कैसा लगा कमेंट करके जरूर बताइएगा, और अपने क्लासमेट्स के बीच और फ्रेंड्स के बीच ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिएगा. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.